In our first week, we are focusing on workbooks that work. As businesses grow in size, multiple people often work on the same workbook, and this can cause errors and duplicates in our data sets. Fortunately, Excel has tools that allow us to validate data as it enters our workbooks. We can also create messages that communicate these rules to all users. This helps make large spreadsheets become more accurate and increases business efficiency. You may have heard the term garbage in, garbage out. So before you can get Excel to perform any magic for you, you have to validate the data that you put in. We will begin this week with the basics on how to validate the data we input manually, and then we will move on to using drop-down lists. And guess what? We can even use formulas for data validation. We will end the week working with validation using some pretty rigorous Excel functionalities. Valid data in means valid results out. We have a series of practice videos to equip you with these important skills. Work through these videos by downloading the Excel workbooks and working alongside us step by step. Then take a break, relax, refresh, reset, and attempt these workbooks again, because practice makes permanent. After these videos, we have a practice challenge for you to take your Excel skills even further. Embedded in the course is a toolbox, which you need to check out regularly. And each week, we have a great ninja tip.